Hi, this is Ram Kumar and this is my final project demo for SC456, and I developed a Space Invaders game for my final project, and I'm going to quickly run through the features of my game. So my game starts with the title scene that shows two options. One is to start a single player game and the other one is to start a two-player game. I'm going to start a single player game now. And you can see that the alien grid is generated, and also the player with the shields at the bottom, and the player can be controlled with the arrow keys, and also the space key fires the bomb. And I'm going to start the wave 1. The aliens are moving from the left to right, and they're going to move to the bottom once they hit the wall, and again they will change their movement direction to the opposite. Also, the aliens are spawning the bombs randomly at different locations. So the green ones spawn the air bombs, and the red ones spawn the Z bombs, and the Mr. Ship that gets spawned randomly drops the T bomb. So there are 4 types of bombs, and the Z bomb has 2 types too. This is the wave 1, so the alien grid speed is going to increase based on the number of kills made by the player. And I'm going to try to finish this level, and we can move to the next level. So as you can see, the Mr. Ship, once it gets killed, it displays the score, because the score of the Mr. Ship is randomly generated, so it is displayed at the moment of kill. So now it moved to the wave 2, and the frequency of bombs dropping has increased when compared to the wave 1. I'll again expose the collisions so that you can see what happens. So the shields get removed block by block based on the collision happened. So here I'm trying to shoot the shield, and you can see that they are getting removed block by block. So the player 1 dies now, and the game is over, and the player score is displayed. And I'm gonna try to restart and get into the 2-player game. So now it moved to the title scene again, and hitting 2 takes me to the 2-players game. So initially it starts with the player 1. The player name is displayed at the top of the screen, and it starts from wave 1. I'm gonna try and kill myself voluntarily so that we can quickly move to the other levels and to the other player too. And some scores for comparison. The Mr. Ship is spawned using the command invoker that's being used for animating the sprites, and it gets spawned at two different spots randomly, and the direction of movement is decided by the location it gets spawned. So I'm checking the collisions between the missiles and walls, missiles and aliens, and bombs and the shields, and also Mr. Ship and walls, and Mr. Ship and with the missile. Now it moved to the wave 2. Now the player 1 dies and the game switched to the player 2, and the player name is displayed at the top again. And I'm going to start the wave 1 for the player 2. And you can see that the Mr. Ship is spawned and it's moving towards the left. I'm gonna kill this player 2 to show the end screen and to show the complete cycle of the screens. Yep. Now the player 1 wins because the number of kills made by the player 1 is higher than the number of kills made by the player 2. So that's all I had for the demo. Thanks for watching.